Hey friends! Alright, in this video we're going to talk about how to add videos to our clips. So far we have added pictures to our documentary, and you can see those right in here with pictures with narration. But I thought it might be nice to have a video of a steam train in this one. So I found a couple on YouTube. I made some screen recordings of them. We're going to see how they work. But so this is going to be how we're going to add them in to our documentary. So first things first, we're going to go back to the library button again. Same as it was with finding pictures, we're going to use the library button. And now you're going to see a series of videos here. So there's me doing these videos, there's pictures, and then you're going to see these other videos right down here. These are the ones that I took. So I thought maybe it would be nice to have a really old steam train in there. Well, actually, let's do both. Let's do the one on the left first. All right, so I'm going to select that one. And now you can see this video. This is a video of a steam train running. And to add it in, you're going to see that there's this piece right here. This is the length of the original video. I can do any part of it, or I can do all of it. But it comes down again to this green button. It's not going to be part of my clip until I record the video. So you're going to see, I'm going to push, and I'll slide to the left, and now it is recording the video as it goes. It's also recording me talking. So that's really key. There's two pieces here, that it's the video and me talking. And I can see how much, I'm not going to do the whole thing, so I'm going to stop it right there. And now if I add it in, let's see what happens. Let's look at it. And I'll slide to the left, and now it is recording the video as it goes. It's also recording me talking. So that's really key. There's two pieces here. That it's the video. And, okay, you can hear a couple things in there. You can hear the original music from the video, which I don't want, and you can hear me talking, which I guess I don't really want either because I wasn't reading my script. What I should have been doing is actually reading my script as I was recording that. I didn't do that. So I can just delete it. But I also want to show you these two things here. So this one right here is the mute button, and this one's really, really key. If I tap on the mute button, I have these both options. I have recorded audio and original video. So you heard the music in the background as I was doing that. I want to mute that, so that as I play it, and me talking, and I can see how much I no longer hear that music in the background, because I want to supply my own music. Now I can also mute the recorded audio, which means I'm muting myself, and now it's just a train driving. Now that's not great, because that doesn't give me my narration, which is what I was hoping for. So let's try one now with the actual narration. So let's go back and let's add in this one. And in this one, I want to show you, I got a picture of these kids. I started it a little bit early because I want to make sure I got the whole steam train in, but I don't want these kids. So if you see what happens, steam local, wrong button. If you see what happens, there's those kids for just a second before this steam train appears. So that's not what I want. I want those kids to go away. Now, luckily, what I can do, hit done, is, back to my clip here, is I can actually go to this slider here on the bottom, which means I don't have to start my video in the beginning. I can actually start my video anywhere I want. So I could skip over the part where those kids are, and maybe even go a little bit further to where the train kind of goes, oof, smoke. Because I've got a part in my thing about how, let's see, what does my script say? My script says, the boilers on the locomotives took a long time to heat up. This meant that there was lots of dirty smoke coming out of them. People complained about the pollution and air quality. They didn't like the smoke. How great would it be if I said those things while there was this smoke coming out? So let's back it up. I want to time it just right. All right, let's try that. So now I'm going to push and hold, or I'm going to push and go left, so it's recording, and then I'm going to give my script in the background. Here we go. Find my spot in my script. Here we go. The boilers on the locomotives took a long time to heat up. This meant there was lots of dirty smoke coming out of them. People complained about the air pollution and the air quality. They did not like the smoke. Okay, that seemed like it was really good. Let's test it. Not the whole thing. On the clip you want to go to. The boilers on the locomotives took a long time to heat up. This meant there was lots of dirty smoke coming out of them. People complained about the air pollution and the air quality. They did not like the smoke. Oh, that was cool. I didn't even realize there was a train sound in the background. I want to keep that train sound, so I'm not going to mute either one of these. I'm going to keep them both. But did you notice how there was that guy at the end? Ooh, I don't want to have to record the whole thing over again. So if you notice, right at the end, the boilers on the locomotives took a long time to heat up. This meant there was lots of dirty smoke coming out of them. People complained about the air pollution and the air quality. They did not like the smoke. Oh no, there's that guy right at the end. Okay, so we can actually do that. So we can fix that. So do you see this button right here called trim? That means I can squeeze it. I can cut pieces off the beginning. I can cut a little bit off the end. So I'm going to tap on trim. And this is where my video is. So if I grab the very end here, I can just, oop, there's the guy. I want to go till the guy disappears. Right there. Right there. Now if I'm going to hit the button trim over here, it will actually cut that little tiny piece off. Trim. There we go. And now let's see how that works. The boilers on the locomotives took a long time to heat up. This meant there was lots of dirty smoke coming out of them. People complained about the air pollution and the air quality. They did not like the smoke. Oh, hey, that looks awesome. Love it. So now I have added a video to my video, which is really, really great. I love the sound of the train. I love the smoke. It just fits exactly what I want to say right in that spot. So those are the basics of adding videos.